Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to set a static IPs to the PCs in a Cisco Packet Tracers and how they talk to each other within the same network. So for that I have taken a simple network diagram which consisting of one switch, and I have taken two PCs which are connected to our switch. Then I will take one same network, for example 192.168.1.10 is a class C example. And similarly, for this PC, I will mention 192.168.1.20. So both PCs are in the same network. You can see for first three digits are same. And now I will add the IP addresses inside the PC. So first of all, copy the IP, go to the PC desktop, click on IP configuration, and in the static option, just paste your IP. Then subnet mask will automatically come as this is a class C IP address. Then default gateway here we are not assigning because we are not connecting any router because this is a similar network. And similarly for this PC also I am mentioning the IP. So click on desktop IP configuration and paste your IP which is 1.20. Subnet mask is class C automatically come, and default gateway here we are not assigning. So that's it. In this way, we can assign the IP addresses to the PCs. And if you want to check how the two PCs can communicate or ping to each other, so for that, just click on the PC, go to the command prompt section, and type the IP address, ping, and the IP address of the next PC, which is 192.168.1.20. Press enter, and you can see reply is coming. So it means our packet ping is successful. Both the PCs can communicate to each other in a same network. And I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.